Hello everyone, this is a 360 degrees socket with an extension cord. 8-in-1 multi-function power strip with USB charging. This multi-plug socket extender features 5 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port, allowing you to charge 8 devices simultaneously. It's perfect for powering your laptop, phone, and appliances in your home office, bedroom, or while traveling. 360 degrees rotating plug for ultimate flexibility. The TROND retractable rotating outlet plug features a patented 360 degrees rotating design that easily adjusts to any angle, vertical, horizontal, or anywhere in between. It's perfect for tight spaces behind furniture, awkward corners, or hard to reach outlets, giving you complete freedom of positioning to optimize your space.